I want to talk one of the very important factors and that inside what will happen those who died with the Lord, how their body will look like, how their body will look like. Will the same body as it is or different kind of body they will form? So when I study, when I try to understand, I found out that there are seven factors that believers should going to have glorified body. And what are those? And what are those glorified body? I'm going to mention one by one. First, it will be recognized body. It will be recognized body. Those who die with the Lord, they will be recognized. They will be recognized by others. Their identity will be recognized by others. When our Lord Jesus Christ rose from the dead, he recognized. And when we study book of 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 12, it talk about that believer body will be recognized or will be recognized. Will be recognized by others. Will be recognized by others. And second, it will be a body like a resurrection body of our Lord Jesus Christ. When we read book of 1 John chapter 3 verse 2, we understand from there that it will be resurrection body. And third, it will be glorified body. He said it was glorious body and suitable for living condition in heaven. When you read book of 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 43, is talk about that believer going to have glorious body. And then fourth, it will be immortal and eternal body. When you read 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verse 42, it is talking about that believer going to have immortal and eternal body. And the fifth, it will be a material flesh and bone and a body that will permit of eating. When you read book of Luke chapter 24 verse 41 and 43, we read about it that believer going to have a permit of eating. And six, it will be a body which spirit control and govern. When you read book of 1 Corinthians chapter 15 and 49, and then it will be a body unlimited by the time, gravity of space. Book of John chapter 20 verse 19 and 26 is talking about. So what we understand from here, that every believers, those who die with the Lord, they are going to have glorious body. First, it will be recognized by others. It will be recognized by others. That means if we die with the Lord, people will recognize us in heaven. People will recognize us in heaven that who you are, who are we, people are recognized. And second, it will be like a resurrection body like our Lord Jesus Christ. And the third, it will be glorious body. It will be glorious body and suitable for living in heaven. And then fourth, it will be immortal and eternal body, the body that never going to die again. And then fifth, it will be material flesh, bone, a body that will living permit.